So we're working in analog, so we're going to run into weirdness, right? When I insert the compressor on my mult, everything disappears. Now, why would that be happening? It's a good teaching moment right here, right? You know why it's happening? It's because the polarity is flipping somewhere when I hit the insert point, right? So all of a sudden we're out of phase and we're canceling out, which means I got to do this. Everything's back now. So, yeah, that could be happening in a number of places. It could be, it's just a cable along the way is backwards, and flipping our phase, our polarity. So, we're good to go now. I have a LA2A set to destruction on the mult, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that in to our original signal. I guess this is just parallel processing, right? So. This will probably be the only thing we do parallel processing on. So yeah, it'll be the LA2A cranked on channel 30 here, and the clean bass track on channel. It's hard to gain match this, but. Oh, so when I flip the insert off, of course, it's back in phase again and disappears. Well, I'll play them to you guys sold out like this. This is cool. So this is just our parallel bass crush track, destruction. Absolutely, just totally getting wrecked on by the LA2A back there. By the way, our LA2A does not sound like a regular LA2A. So if you were to try to emulate this at home with a LA2A plugin, it's not going to be the same. This thing is either broken or not, but I don't care. It sounds awesome. So if it's broken, we're never going to fix it. It's great. Crushed, clean, together. I'm gonna pull back a tiny bit of the top end on the clean track. So that's it. We're good to go on that. We were happy with the bass sound before we even brought the faders up, let's be honest. So let's leave it alone. Just reducing some dynamic range in parallel with compression, and Bob's your uncle. Cool. I think we're going to start moving down to the other side of the console. Ooh.